Welcome to all. This is Logeshwari, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, St. Josephs College of Arts and Science for Women, Hosur. Today we learn about looping in C. In a loop, the loops are executed set of instructions or functions repeatedly and some conditions become true. So what are the processes there? Setting and initializing a counters, execution of the statement, evaluate the conditions, after that increment of the count. Loops here, while loop, do while, for loop. So what is in the while loop? The while loop is used to evaluate the conditions and iterate the over of the loop until the conditions true. The loop end when the conditions written false. So syntax for the while loop: while condition starting with open brace and give the executable code. After that end of the program you can give close brace. Example program for the while loop. So first main function here. So after that initialize the loop variable. So what is the loop variable as I? Okay, so int I equal to 0. 0 is assigned to the I. Okay, so after that while loop will be started. So that just condition is I less than 5. Okay, so what is the value for I? 0. 0 less than 5. This condition is true. Okay, so it can enter the loop statement. The printf is here, so print the while loop. Okay, after I plus plus, that is iteration statement. What is the meaning? That I equal to I plus 1. Okay, already I have this 0. 0 plus 1, the value was 1, so I equal to 1. Okay, after again the while loop will be check 1 less than 5. This condition also true. So again print the while loop. After that I incremented by 1, so 1 plus 1 2, 2 less than 5, the condition is true. Again the print the while loop. After incremented plus 1, so automatically I value is 3. Okay, so when the I value is 5, the condition will check 5 less than 5. The condition will be false, is automatically skip of the while loop. Okay, loop structure. The first step is initialization. The initialization is used to loop variable to some initial value. Conditional statement, this is used for decide whether the block in the while loop code will execute. Body of the loop is used to, it can execute some set of statement. Its specified condition is true. So it is also enclosed with open brace close brace. Updations is used for update the value of the loop variable in each iteration. Flowchart for the while loop. First one, while loop start. After that test the conditions. The conditions is true, they execute the loop of the body. So suppose when the condition will false, is automatically the while loop will end. Next we are going to see do while loop. Do while loop is used to repeat some part of the code till the given condition is fulfilled. So the another name is called post tested loop. So the do while loop will always executed at least one time. What are the syntax for do while? The do, you can give the do keyword. After that you can give the open brace and body of the while loop, the end of the close brace. After you can give while condition, end of the while condition you can give semicolon. This is the example program for the do while. So first initialize the looping variable int I equal to 0. After that the do loop will started. So print the value as do while. After I iterate the loop variable I equal to I plus 1. So 0 plus 1, the I equal to 1. So after that the while conditions will be check 1 less than 3. This condition is true. So again enter the do loop. So print the do while. After that the iteration statement will be increased by 1. So 1 plus 1 2. The 2 less than 3. These conditions will also true. So again it can move to the do while. So do while will be print. After that 2 plus 1 equal to 3. So I value is 3. While the condition 3 less than 3, this condition will be false, is automatically skip out of the do while. for follow the do while loop. First the body of the loop is executed, after that the expression is checked. Okay, so when the test condition is evaluated as true, the program control goes to the start of the loop and the body of the statement is executed. The above process repeat till the test condition is true. When the test condition is evaluated as false, the program control move to the next statement after the do while loop. For the do while, first you have to start the do while, then enter the body of the loop, then you have to check the conditions. After that the condition is true, you can continue the body of the loop. So when the condition is false, is automatically the do loop will be end. Let me see the difference between while and do while. In while loop, the test condition is checked before executing the body. Do while, the test condition is checked after executing the body. So when the condition is false, the body are not executed in the while loop, but do while is executed at least only once when the condition is false. The while loop is another name is called pre-tested. Do while loop another name is called post-tested. A semicolon is not required for while loop. Semicolon is required for do while loop. See for loop. So for loop is used to iterate the statement or part of the program in several times. What is the syntax for the for loop? The for, and there are three steps here: initialization, conditions is the third one, updation. After you can start the for loop, you have give the open brace, then give the multiple statements. Then end of the program you can give close brace. To see how for loops are work. Okay, the first step is initialization. This step is used to variables are declared. Already existing variables are there in your for loop. You have to give some value. Step 2, condition statement. If condition is true, you have to continue the process, otherwise it can skip out of the for loop. So step 3, all the statements inside the loop are executed. Step 4, updating the values of variable. See the flowchart for loop. First start the for loop, then initialize the variable, then check the variables. The condition is true, is automatically moved to block of the statement. After that it can update the variable, then again the variable will be checked. The process will be continue till the condition is false. When the condition is false, is automatically moved to the end of the for loop. This is example program for the for loop. First main function started, after that you have to declare the variable as a. So then for loop will be start at the first step, a equal to 0, it means the initialization 0 to a. Okay, so a less than 5, so its condition will be checked. 0 less than 5, this condition is true, is automatically enter the for loop. So print the statement as for. Again next we move to the update statement. The update statement is used to iterate the value for the further evaluation. So a equal to a plus 1, so a value equal to 1, so again it can check. So 1 less than 5, this condition also true, again it can enter the block for. Okay, so next update the statement. The a value is 2, so again the 2 less than 5, this condition also true, so again it can print after. This process will be continue, so till the condition will be false. When the conditions a value is 5, a 5 less than 5, this condition is false, is automatically skip out of the for loop. Thank you.